Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shay and I'm back with another video. Right now I am just priming my eyelids with the Louise eyeshadow primer. It is in the number rumor 4 and I'm just patting it out, spreading it all over my lid right before I put my eyeshadow on. Right here, I'm using the Morphe 25D palette. It has all your warm neutrals and nude shades, and I'm putting this color right into my crease and blending it out. Next, I'm going to take this orangey yellow shade and I'm putting it right on top of the first color I put, just so it can have a smoother transition. Now on the lid, I'm going to go ahead with this cream concealer and putting it all over my lid, and see that I am just slightly cutting the crease. I'm not trying to make it all perfect. I just want it to have an even base. Now I'm taking this peachy neutral shade and I'm packing it all over my lid. Exactly where I put the concealer, that's where I'm putting it. Now time for the glitter. I'm using this gold glitter from JCat Beauty. And guys, call me ghetto if you want, but I like this technique. It works just as good as the glitter glue. So I'm just taking a clear brow gel. It's from the brand e.l.f. and I'm putting it on this little brush and I'm packing it all over my lid. Once I have the brow gel on, I just pack the glitter on lightly, and I don't want it to be like a thick layer of glitter, so it's perfect. Now I'm using my newest best foundation. This is Huda Beauty, and if you are a person who likes a thick, full coverage, all controlling foundation, this is go-to. This mimics the Studio Fix that I always wear from MAC. I love this one because it covers everything. And I'm using my usual e.l.f. and I'm putting that right under my eye. I use this as the first step of concealer. Now I'm going in with the Beauty Blender and I am just blending that concealer out, making sure there are no harsh lines. You guys seen this a million times before. This is the second step I use. After using the e.l.f. concealer, I like to use a lighter tone concealer and putting it specifically right in the corner and blending that out. After blending, the next step is setting the powder. So I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm lightly just putting that right where I put all the concealer under my eye, my forehead, my nose, my chin. I'm taking my new bronzer and I'm putting it where my nose bridge is. I'm bringing it all the way to my brow bone. That's just the way I like to do it nowadays. And then I'm gonna take it among my cheeks just to warm up my face, sculpt my face, make it more slim. That's what we like to do with bronzer. Next, I'm adding a little bit of blush to my cheekbones. This is one of my favorites from MAC. I'll list it in the description box below. And I just add a little bit to the rosier parts of my cheek. For this part, I'm just adding the finishing touches to my eyes. I am adding that first orange color I used in my crease. I'm putting it under. It is just going to complete the eyes and make them look more subtle. And last but not least, for the eyes, I am just adding a little bit of black eyeliner across my waterline. Now I'm taking a pointed fluffy brush and wiping away all that excess powder I used to bake my under eye. Here I'm adding just a little bit of sparkle to the inner crease of my eye. This just adds a little bit of hint, almost like an inner corner highlighter, just opens the eye just a little bit. And you guys know my all-time favorite chestnut lip liner from MAC. I'm using this to line my lips right before I put on my lipstick. Next, I'm using this matte nude lipstick from MAC. It is part of their Powder Kiss collection, and I'm using that right in the center of my lips. Lastly, I'm using a highlighter. I believe it's a Gold Deposit from MAC, and I didn't show you guys, but I'll leave it in the description. And that is all for this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, for staying this long and watch me beat my face. I appreciate it. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.